I made an axe handle way too short. I made it a certain length so I could use it for a certain purpose. It's way too short for this big of a head. It's super hard. I can't use it with one hand, and it's too short for two hands. So I'm gonna remake it. All right, there you go, friends. A new life for this axe head. Actual long enough handle. You can actually use it to do some work with, not that short one that I had before. So there you go, friends. Takes a while, a lot of elbow grease, but we got an ash handle for this axe. Now we just need to go do some work with it. Thanks for watching.